MacEwan community has completely and wholeheartedly supported our beekeeping initiative. We were able to produce 70 kilograms of honey between our 4 hives, and that sold in less than 23 minutes.
It's a very clear honey. It's quite pretty. It's actually been graded as an extra white honey. The jars of honey that we're harvesting, we are taking to the food services department, and we're getting it bottled into resellable containers. The profits from that are going to be reinvested into the project to encourage more awareness and communication around that.
I think one of the reasons that people are so engaged with this is it's something very tangible. They understand bees make honey, so they understand, okay, I can go up to the roof of building 5 and I can see what they're doing. I can see that they're pollinating down in our flowers. It's something that resonates with them that they can see. It was really important for us to spread the honey throughout the MacEwan community, so there were many people that had the opportunity to try it. Next year, we're going to be adding 2 additional beehives, and we're hoping that our production will be at least double of this year.
Our goal was to try and get as many people to have our honey in their hands as possible. And one way of doing that is not just selling, full 212 milliliter jars full of honey. We're going to do that still, but we can also take, a tenth of that jar and incorporate it into our honey vinaigrette.
Completely our own honey, own herbs, and vinegar and oil. That's it. All fresh ingredients within the campus. Any chef in the world you ask, what plays important role is the ingredient. Good food is always all about great ingredients. When you have that accessibility of that ingredient, you can always produce simple but